Spent a lot of time online at work. I hate my job. I have a boss. Her name is Tammy. She's about 350 pounds, which is a lot for a woman or a elephant. I don't know. She's a handsome woman, and she took off her jacket the other day. No joke. It's a joke, yes, but for real. She took off her jacket the other day, and I looked at the label. It's from a store called Dress Barn. This is an actual clothing store for plus-size women. It's got the word barn in the title. What a horrible name. I feel like you walk in that store, you open the door, it doesn't even make a chime noise. You walk in, it's just like, clothe me in sheets, I've arrived. She's a big one. She insists that we decorate our cubicles. Cubicle culture, she likes to call it. Some of the men in my office that will probably never know the touch of a woman have Star Wars action figures up in their cube. Everyone's got one of these in their office. Don't touch them, Eliza. Don't compromise the integrity of the packaging. Chill out there, Wayne. Oh. Some of the lonelier women have Kathy comics pinned up in their cubes. I love Kathy. I love Kathy, cats, and chocolate. 3 C's to happiness. Tammy, at a healthy 350, has chosen to adorn her cubicle with wind chimes. She's collected them, okay? The only time these things ever make any noise is when she sits down and the negative space around her implodes, creating this like whirlwind gust through the office. Every day at around 1:30, it's like whoosh, ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, Tammy's back from lunch. Don't turn on the AC. You mix cold air with that, we will have a tropical storm on our hands. No joke. Hurricane Tammy tearing through our office. I'm not very good at my job. Tammy asked me to send a fax the other day. I was like, okay, no problem. So I sent the fax. She comes back in 10 minutes later. I need to know who here sent this 40-page blank fax. I had to think of a reason why I had made this mistake. I was like, I did because they said that they were out of paper. So I was faxing them some. Does that not show myself out? Have security show me out? Thanks, Tammy. Sorry about that.